Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today we're embarking on a journey to supercharge our well-being with the most vibrant and invigorating wellness shots. Join me in my kitchen where we will harness the power of nature's best. Freshly picked lemons from the tree, the golden goodness of turmeric root, and the zesty kick of ginger root. Together we'll create these potent elixirs packed with immune-boosting properties, antioxidants, and a burst of refreshing flavors. So grab your cutting board and let's whip up these revitalizing wellness shots that'll leave you feeling recharged and ready to take on that day. In this video, I will be making wellness shots and more. So watch through, and I hope you enjoy everything that I can make with lemons. The first thing I need to do is grab a ladder. I'm here at Winnie's house, aka Winnie's garden. She also has a lemon and orange tree, but we're not using her lemons and oranges today. Today we're gonna go to Steven's house, which is across the street. He has 2 orange trees, a lemon tree, an avocado tree, and he also allows me to come and take whatever I need. He is a great guy. Thank you, Steven, for allowing me to take some lemons from your backyard. So here I am setting up the ladder, making sure everything is safe so I don't fall. And then after that, I'm just gonna pick some lemons and we're gonna get right into it. We've gathered all of our lemons. It's time to give them a good rinse. Make sure that they're really clean. We want to get all of the dirt off. And then after that, we're just going to cut all of the lemons in half and we're going to throw them into the bowl. And then after that, we're going to juice all of the lemons. I guess this would be the perfect time to say if you are looking for a citrus juicer like this, I will link in the description below. Quick disclaimer, when I make lemon shots, I really don't measure, so I do everything to taste. In this container, I'm just pouring all of the lemon juice that I squeezed. In the next clip, I'm going to show you the hand squeeze method. Squeezing by hand will take you a lot of time. I always recommend to use a mechanical squeezer, especially when you are juicing a lot of fruit. Now that all of your lemon juice is squeezed, it's time to juice the turmeric and the ginger. This part you want to be careful how much turmeric and ginger you're using because the ginger is very spicy and the turmeric also has a very strong flavor. Right now I have turmeric and ginger mix. This is half of a 750 milliliter bottle. And then I fill up the rest with the lemon juice and then I taste as I go, making the adjustments necessary as I need. I'm using one of these speed pourers from my bartending days. I'm also going to link these glass shot bottles as well as the speed pourers in the description below. I like to use glass bottles because it's easier to clean and rinse them and reuse them over and over again. Let's get into some wellness shot benefits. They're great at relieving indigestion, supporting the immune system, improving digestion, supporting the metabolism, cleansing the colon, and reducing skin issues. These shots I always take first thing in the morning, and sometimes I also take them midday, but they give me a lot of energy and they help keep my system very strong. I'm not a doctor, this is just what works for me, and now I'm sharing it with you. As you can see, this batch was really spicy, but I love it. Let's take a brief moment to appreciate these wellness shots and what they do for our body. In this clip, we're going to be making a tea out of the leaves from the lemon tree. So I added cinnamon sticks to boiling water, the lemon leaves, I'm using apple cider vinegar, and then I also will be using the wellness shot mix that we just made in the previous clip, and then you're good to go. If you want to add honey to this, you can to make it a little sweet, but I like the tea just like this, and this is something that you can sip at the end of the night. I didn't throw away the leftover lemons after I juiced them. Instead, I'm prepping them to make lemon powder. So this is the first step. You want to leave them outside to completely dry, and I will show you the rest in another video, unfortunately. A very special thank you goes to Brenda for helping me pick the lemons off of the tree. She looks like she is having a good time, so I will keep bringing her back to help me in the future.